1000 Action Verbs, Part 1.
Accept. Accept.
She accepted the gift. She accepted the gift.
Add. Add.
Please add some sugar to my coffee. Please add some sugar to my coffee.
Admire. Admire.
I admire your dedication to your work. I admire your dedication to your work. Advise. Advice.
The teacher advised the students to study hard. The teacher advised the students to study hard.
Agree. Agree.
They agreed to meet at 6:00 p.m. They agreed to meet at 6:00 p.m.
Allow. Allow.
Parents should allow their kids to explore new habits. Parents should allow their kids to explore new habits.
Answer. Answer.
The student answer all the questions correctly. The student answer all the questions correctly.
Apologize. Apologize.
He apologized for arriving late to the meeting. He apologized for arriving late to the meeting.
Appear. Appear.
The sun appeared from behind the clouds. The sun appeared from behind the clouds.
Apply. Apply.
He applied for a position at the company. He applied for a position at the company.
Argue. Argue.
My parents argue about the problems. My parents argue about the problems.
Arrange. Arrange.
She arranged the books on the shelf. She arranged the books on the shelf.
Arrive. Arrive.
The train arrived 5 minutes early. The train arrived 5 minutes early.
Ask. Ask.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
Assist. Assist.
The doctor assisted the patient. The doctor assisted the patient.
Attack. Attack.
The lion attacked the deer in the jungle. The lion attacked the deer in the jungle.
Attempt. Attempt.
He attempted to climb the mountain. He attempted to climb the mountain.
Attend. Attend.
He attend the class every day. He attend the class every day.
Avoid. Avoid.
She avoided fast food since 1 year. She avoided fast food since 1 year.
Awake. Awake. I awake with first alarm in the morning. I awake with first alarm in the morning. Bake. Bake.
She baked a cake for the party. She baked a cake for the party.
Balance. Balance.
He balanced the ball on his head. He balanced the ball on his head.
Bat. Bat.
Nabi baited the ball out of the stadium. Nabi baited the ball out of the stadium.
Bath. Bath.
The baby loves to bath in warm water. The baby loves to bath in warm water.
Is. Is.
He is happy with his new job. He is happy with his new job.
Bear. Bear.
I cannot bear the pain anymore. I cannot bear the pain anymore.
Beat. Beat.
Afghanistan beat Australia in the semi-final. Afghanistan beat Australia in the semi-final.
Become. Become.
I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor.
Begin. Begin.
The program will begin at 9 o'clock a.m. The program will begin at 9 o'clock a.m.
Behave. Behave.
Please behave politely in the class. Please behave politely in the class.
Believe. Believe.
She believes in the power of positive thinking. She believes in the power of positive thinking.
Belong. Belong.
These shoes belong to me. These shoes belong to me.
Bend. Bend.
She bent down to pick up the bottle. She bent down to pick up her pen.
Bat. Bat.
I bet you can't solve this puzzle in 5 minutes. I bet you can't solve this puzzle in 5 minutes.
Bite. Bite.
The dog bite his hand. The dog bite his hand.
Low. Low.
The wind blew the leaves off the trees. The wind blew the leaves off the trees.
Boil. Boil.
She boiled the water to make the tea. She boiled the water to make the tea.
Borrow. Borrow.
May I borrow some money for 2 weeks? May I borrow some money for 2 weeks?
Bounce. Bounce.
The ball bounced high after hitting the ground. The ball bounced high after hitting the ground.
Call. Call.
He called his mother to check on her health. He called his mother to check on her health.